Hey guys, so today I wanted to quickly film an unboxing of the cloth and paper subscription box that we received for the month of January. I did get this pretty late in the month, but I think it was because we had a snowstorm in our in my state, so the mail was a lot slower than it normally would have been. So that's why I got it later, and then also with work and everything else, I wasn't able to film this right away, but I wanted to get this up because it's basically February already, and I can't wait to get the next month's box. So this is the first box that we received with a new, I believe it's like the new format of what the box, of the way that they redesigned the box, which was pretty exciting. So when you first open it up, it says there's luxury and simplicity, and I love the detailing of the new box. I just think it's so pretty and so sleek and gorgeous. So I think the way that they designed this box was if you get like the Penspiration box as well, then it would come with it, and I guess this would be filled out. I'm guessing that would be filled out as well. I'm not 100% sure, but I think that's the theme that they were going for. So when you first open it up, you got this really cute card that basically tells you everything that is in this month's box. So we got inserts, dashboards, page flags, have sticky notes, and journaling cards as well. And these are the pictures of everything in the back. So yeah, so let's dive right on in and let's get started. So of course, I'm gonna remove like the top part, and so basically it's two packages. I guess this is the folder, which is super cute, and it looks like this is the arched folder. So that's really cute. And then this, I guess, is like the goodies of pretty much everything else in the box. So let's open it up and see what we got. I'm just gonna like dump everything in here. Okay. So, the first thing that I see in here are these matchstick page flags, which are super cute. Love that. Then I see the half sticky notes in Tuscany and Cafe Noir. Love that as well. Then I see this is called the New Beginnings Dashboard. So this is really cute. That's very cute. Love that. Oh, this is so good. It says balance is not something you find, it's something you create, which is 100% accurate. Love that dashboard. Then we got this really cute, beautifully aesthetic dashboard. And this one is called, I guess, just a swatch dashboard. Next thing that I see in here, this is the monthly admin inserts. So yeah, that's what it's called, monthly admin inserts. And this is really cute. I think this would be super cute for like planning YouTube videos or like business type stuff or anything like that. I think it'd be so cute. You could literally use this for anything. This is a weekly admin insert. So, oh, and then it has like a habit portion in it as well, and tasks, which is really cute. And I think I mention this all the time, but like the amount of inserts that you get in here is like so good. So literally love that. And then the last thing, I guess these are the like the journaling cards. So let's open these babies up. So, okay, this is, it looks like it's a quick planing tools. So that's really cute. And then we got a bunch of journaling cards. So there's this one, and then of course the beautiful March one as well. So yeah, love that. It's so funny. I have to like switch out the January one in my planner as well. So anyways, that's pretty much everything that's in this month's box. So as a quick recap, we have these journaling cards. We have the weekly admin inserts. We got the monthly admin inserts. We got the swatch dashboard, the balance dashboard, the new beginnings dashboard, and then the half sticky notes in Tuscany Noir, as well as the matchstick page flags and the arched folder as well. So yeah, I think this month's box is amazing, great value. It is $38 if you are a legacy subscriber. I think if you are going to be a brand new subscriber, I want to say it's like $1 or $2 more, which still is a really great value, especially if you like purchase all this stuff like individually. It's definitely going to add up a lot more than $38. So yeah, so I think it's like a really good deal. And oh, the size that I do subscribe in is the mini happy planner size, in case you're curious to know that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I feel like I have to like get back into the swing of things in terms of like filming videos. I haven't filmed in a while. But no, I've filmed some videos, but like I haven't edited and like actually uploaded them. I just have to like get back into the swing of things and just do it, because I do really love making videos. I think it's just so fun, like just a great form of expression and like a really good fun outlet for me. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye guys.